We continue to urge India and Pakistan to work towards a responsible solution in this, and we've been saying that certainly from the beginning. We also want to say that what matters in this particular instance right now where we're at is that the phone calls happened, that we are remaining engaged with both governments at, again, multiple levels. We, though, will not engage in the nature of discussing what the conversations have been or what we've conveyed. Certainly there's a lot already on the record when it comes to our reaction to what's been happening here. So there's some discussion that Pakistan wants an independent investigation as to what has happened regarding the terrorist attack. And of course, what we say to that is we want the perpetrators to be held accountable and are supportive of any efforts to that end.
अनाउंसमेंट करना उधर रोड से साइड में हो जाओ
సత్వారి సాంబా ఆర్ఎస్పురా ఆర్నియాపై పాకిస్తాన్ 8 మిసైల్స్ ప్రయోగించినట్లు వీటిని కూల్చేసినట్లు భారత రక్షణ శాఖ ప్రకటించింది. ఇజ్రాయెల్పై హమాస్ ఎలా అయితే దాడి చేసిందో అదే తరహాలో జమ్మూపై పాకిస్తాన్ దాడులకు తెగబడింది.